Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn vehicle names, colors, and numbers with the help of this awesome kinetic sand construction set. We have 10 numbered presents with different colors. Inside of each present, I've hidden a vehicle in kinetic sand.
Yay!
We'll empty each present out onto the black platform to discover which vehicle is inside. We're going to start with present number 1. Present number 1 is red and has an orange ribbon. How should we break open the kinetic sand? I have a few tools here with me. Let's see which one of them will work. There's a shark, banana, and a mallet. Let's try the shark first. Well, that didn't work out. Let's try the banana next. I don't think the banana can get the job done.
Oopsie.
Let's try the hammer.
Answer.
Bingo! The hammer worked
Ready,
great.
set, and go!
Look, it's a white ambulance with red stripes. The next present has the number 2 on it.
Yay!
And this present is orange with a yellow ribbon.
Wow!
Do you know what vehicle this is? It's a yellow school bus,
Beep, beep.
and it has a red stop sign. This present has the number 3, and it's yellow with an orange ribbon. That's the opposite colors of our last present.
Show me the money!
This is a police car. It's black and white and has lights and sirens. Next, we have present number 4. This present is green with a green bow.
Oh, I love it!
It's a blue and yellow dump truck. This is present number 5.
Oh,
And it's another green present with a green bow.
ready, set, and go!
I wonder what it is. I see some orange.
Good answer!
It's a steamroller, and it's orange and black.
Beautiful!
The next present has the number 6 and is teal with a teal bow. I can see part of the vehicle. Let's dig the rest out. All right, this is a gray and blue container truck. This present has the number 7, and the present and ribbon are both blue. This one was hidden really well. Wow! It's a white and red helicopter. Next, we have present number 8. This present is also blue with a blue ribbon like our last present, but the blues are reversed.
Yay! Super!
This is a yellow
Beep,
bulldozer. Look at this pretty purple present and ribbon with the number 9.
Oh, yeah!
It's a red and white fire truck. This is so cool! Last, we have number 10. This present is pink with a gray ribbon. It's a red cement truck with a white and blue mixer.
Beep, beep.
It was so much fun playing with the different vehicles while we learned their names, colors, and numbers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. You can also find us on social media. Bye-bye!